Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Jack, or Noble Des, and welcome to another Hack Studio feature. Everyone knows that you can install custom skins on Minecraft Wii U, but it's always been kinda complex. There's two currently known methods, being the MCC client method, aka the temporary method, then there's the Perma method. The temporary method has been pretty much patched in one of the latest updates of the Wii U's firmware, and the Perma method uses FTP to replace currently existing skin packs. Both methods involve replacing a currently existing skin pack because you can't add more entries into it. I really do wish it was like PS3 where you can add more entries, because like on PS3 all you gotta do is just add another folder, put the pack in there, and bam, you don't have to replace anything. Sadly, Wii U doesn't work like that though. But anyways, I have just come up with a better method, and it's pretty much a version 2 of the Perma method, and it's using Pack Studio, a brand new feature I've implemented in one of the latest updates, being currently 2.6.b. 3.6.b. So all you'll need to do this is just an SD card. It doesn't really matter how much gigabytes you have. As long as you at least have like 1 gigabyte, you're perfectly set. The files you need to put on here are extremely small, so no worries there. And you'll need Pack Studio. If you don't have it, you can go to my site, nobledes.com, and go to Pack Studio. I'll have a link in the description where you can go to the page to download it. I'm not going to show that because I've shown that over and over and over again on my channel. But once you have Pack Studio and you have it updated, all you got to do is go to the More tab, and you'll see right here, Wii U Pack Installer. So just click this and it'll open up this little dialog right here. So this is when you're gonna need your SD card, and you're just gonna go ahead and put your SD card into your computer. I'm lucky enough to have an SD card reader built in on mine, but if you don't, there's adapters out there, and oh, that's loud. But yeah, there's adapters out there. You just need to put your SD card in, and once your SD card is in, just click this little SD card icon and then select your SD card. Mine is this one right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to go through your SD card, make sure you have the needed files, and if you don't, it's going to add them. Or if you're missing any, it'll add what's missing. So once you do this, it automatically sets up your SD card for you. So then you can go ahead and take it out and put it back in your Wii U, and that's literally all you got to do for your SD card. So on your Wii U, once you have your SD card in, you're going to want to go ahead and just open up your browser. And you're going to want to click enter URL on your gamepad, and you're going to want to go to this specific link. So loading.ovh, make sure you spell it exactly like it is on screen. Just loading.ovh, and it's going to load up this page right here. And by default, 0x0 will be selected, but there's different options. If you click it, it'll open up a little drop down. So there's like 0x2, 0x3, just different ones. But personally, the one that's worked best for me is 0x1. This is a soft mod, so it's not guaranteed to work every single time. I'd say there's about a 50% chance of it failing. And if it fails, it's just going to freeze. Don't worry, if it does that, all you gotta do is just turn off your Wii U, turn it back on, and try again. And if you keep trying, eventually it's going to work. So once you have your selected option, just go ahead and click submit, and it's going to start loading up the homebrew launcher. And one way you'll know whenever it works is at the bottom right of the screen, the Wii U logo will appear. And it seems it just froze for me. Frick. Okay, crossing my fingers it works this time. Come on. Okay, yeah, there we go. So there's the Wii U logo I was talking about. It'll appear at the bottom right of your screen, and when you see that, you'll know it worked. So we're in the homebrew launcher now. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you do anything is open up Mocha Custom Firmware and click load. And essentially what this is going to do is kind of boot your Wii U into like a temporary custom firmware mode. And once it does that, it's just going to reload the homebrew launcher. It's really quick, takes like 3 seconds. And once you're done with that, just click FTP EU everywhere, click load. The screen's going to go black, and you're going to get a little thing at the bottom of your screen. For me, it says FTPU version 0.4 is listening on, and it's going to give you your Wii U's machine number. Or I wouldn't say machine number, but it's machine IP. So every device that's connected to a network kind of has like a machine number. And I can't go too much into detail because I really don't know much about it. But I do know every device that's connected to a network has a different number. And using these numbers, you can transfer data in between these devices directly as long as you're connected to the same network. And that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to use this number right here to connect our computer directly to our Wii U and replace and add files. So you're going to need that number 10.0.1.28. It's going to be different for you. And you can see I have a :21. Just ignore that part, that doesn't matter. It's just the numbers before that you need. So what you're going to want to do with that number is come here onto the installer, and you'll see this bar right here says Wii U IP. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in that number here. So for me, it was 10.0.1.28. And I know there was a :21, but we don't need that. We just need everything that's before it. Then you're going to want to select your region. I'm in the US, and then you're going to want to select where your game data is being stored. So whether you're on disk or digital, it doesn't matter. The update data is never stored on your disk. It's either in your system memory or in your flash drive or external hard drive. All you got to do to check, if you don't know, is go into your data management, go into your system, then go into your flash drive and see which one contains your Minecraft data. For me, I have all mine stored in my flash drive, so I know it's right there. And once you have all this set up, all you gotta do is click start, and you're gonna see a bunch of stuff like start appearing on your screen. It's just loading data. I don't know if you can see it that well, but what it's doing right now is it's checking all the files I have in the DLC folder of my Minecraft game. So in Minecraft, there's a folder dedicated to DLC, except DLC doesn't just contain skin packs. It has texture packs, mashup packs, map packs, just all those things. And what this is doing is it's sorting through all those folders and checking which ones are skin packs, so it'll only load up those. So this could take a tiny little bit. It really just depends on your internet, to be honest. But once it's done, you'll see them all appear here. Here's all my skin packs. So before we continue, let's say you don't have any skin packs, right? Maybe this is your first time installing skin packs and you don't even have any to install. If you go to my site, nobledez.com, and just select mods, click see more. This right here will take you to some of the mods I have, or skin packs I have that are up for download. So for example, I'll just go ahead and download. I'm gonna get my Gaming All-Star skin pack. So you can just click it, click download, and this is gonna take you to an ad fly. All you have to do is wait 5 seconds, click skip ad, and if you see any things pop up like other downloads, like you see right there it says download, you see this right here, don't click any of those things. These are just like random ads. Don't mess with anything around here. Just wait and then click skip ad, and this will redirect you to the MediaFire download link. So you can see right here, just click this link and it'll take you there. And right here you can go ahead and download your pack file. I have it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just drag it to my desktop so I know exactly where it's at. And then once you have the skin pack you want to install, you have to replace one of your currently existing skin packs with that skin pack. So right here's all the skin packs you have to choose from that are currently on your system. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the Battle of the Beasts pack. So all you gotta do is just right click it and click replace external pack, and then select your skin pack. So I saved this one onto my desktop, the Gaming All Stars pack, and just give it a little bit. It's replacing the pack, and once it's done it will say pack replaced, and bam, that's how you install custom skin packs. Now this does go a little bit farther. My site isn't the only place to get packs, so I'm just going to click stop and close this. And one of the last updates of Pack Studio released the Pack Center. And what the Pack Center is pretty much like a free shop for packs. And right here is where you can download packs by me, by other people who have submitted them, and it's really the best place to get packs currently. So here's like the Noble packs, which is the default tab. Right here is where I put all the new packs that go up. Here's the dev picks, here's the community. And then you have this, which is, it's called My Collection, and what My Collection is your skin packs that you've downloaded. And you can't submit your own pack. It does cost $5, but once it's up forever. I did release this just like not too long ago, so as of the time I'm recording this, there isn't too much packs released. But for there to be more packs, it's up to you, the community. Submit packs to me and I'll put them up here. If you want to know more info, just watch the Pack Center video or click this right here and read that. But anyways, to download a pack from here, all you gotta do is just select the one. Let's say I wanted this one, for example. You'll see we have the add download and download to collection. Add download will take you to the ad fly, or you can just download it directly to your collection, which is the best option. So you click that, it downloads it to your collection. Then if you click on the My Collection tab, you'll see all your packs that you've downloaded here, and here's the one I just got. And all you gotta do to install it is just click it, and you see you have a lot of options here. You can convert the skin pack to Bedrock, you can get the pack file itself, and keep in mind this is all available offline, so like all these things work offline. It's My Collection, it says all downloaded already. And you can install it to your PS3, Xbox, or you can use one of the latest features, again, the Wii U thing. So if I click this will bring this back up. So I'm just gonna refill in all this stuff. I already went over it, so y'all should know what to put in. Click start, and it's gonna start sorting again. And right here's all the skin packs. So since we're installing it from Pack Center, and you see we had the live stream pack selected when we click install it directly to Wii U. So you notice whenever we right click a skin pack now, we're gonna get a brand new option. So I'm gonna choose the Moana skin pack, 'cause I don't care too much about that. But yeah, you see we got a brand new option here. It says replace with live stream pack. and it shows the pack that you currently have selected. So I'm just going to replace this with Livestream pack, and it's going to replace it with the Livestream pack because that's the one I had selected whenever I clicked the Wii U thing. And you can also replace it with external pack, which was the first thing I showed you. So on your Wii U, you can just go ahead and click the home button, and this is going to close out of FTPU. And then to close out of the homebrew launcher, you just got to click home again. And this is actually going to load up the Mii launcher, because whenever you temporarily install the homebrew launcher, it kind of replaces the Mii channel. So like, you can open up the Mii channel and get right back into the homebrew launcher, but since this is temporary, every time you turn off your Wii U and turn it back on, you will have to do the whole browser exploit again, so just keep that in mind. But let's say I wanted to go and install more things. I haven't turned off my Wii U, so I could literally just start the Mii Maker again and it would boot back into the homebrew launcher, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and load up Minecraft so we can see some of the custom skin packs we've installed. So if I go here to change skin, you'll see we have our skin packs here. So I do already have some custom ones installed, like my Blocky, or not mine, but someone made this for me, Mighty Marcus. I have my consoles pack, Dreamcraft. But let's look for the packs we installed, which was the Gaming All-Stars. Oh, I think I accidentally installed that twice. Oops. Didn't realize I already had it installed, and here's also our live stream skin pack, and okay, I already had these too. I already have like most of my skin packs installed in here, which is why it seems to be double, but don't worry, it won't be double for you. It's just I was kind of sped, and I installed skin packs I already had installed. And you can see you can use these, so I have all these. Here's my skin, which is Noble Dez. It's kind of HD. I made this on a live stream. Actually, all the skins in this pack right here was made on a live stream with you guys. It's really, really meany, as you can see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's some good shiz in here. Oh, this one was made by the Mario Bros. This is a pretty good one. I really like it. Stream meme. Only stream team will get it. Got Thanos animated in here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just select mine, and just to show y'all that it does work, I'll go ahead and just load up a world. So I got this one right here, Unnamed Re, and you can see it has a custom icon and stuff. That was actually done using my Wii U map manager. And if you are interested in that, to be able to edit and download and export your Minecraft worlds, I will have end card screen thing to that video if you're interested. But yeah, I'm in a world now, and oh dang, there's a block on my head. Let me go ahead and take that off. But you can see here, I do have my custom skin pack. I custom modeled the shoes and everything. Oh frick, I should not have jumped in there. But yeah, you see, got my shoes. There's like the hoodie thingy, my hair. But yeah, custom models, guys. So yeah, guys, that is the new Perma install method using Pack Studio. If you have any problems or find any bugs, make sure to let me know in my Discord. I have a bugs channel, or in the comments, or on Twitter, email, any way you can find to contact me. And usually whenever I find bugs, I release an update to fix them, usually within that same day. So yeah, as always, it's been your boy Jack, or Noble Dez. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.